up, family? How you guys doing today? Adil here with Milky Tech, and today we are taking a look at another Fifine mic. Let's take a look. Shout out to Fifine for sending me out the K683A for me to take a look at and review, and to give you my honest opinion on it. I've reviewed another Fifine mic, and the link for it will be right here. So let's take a look at the mic. And before we continue, if you guys enjoy this content, smash subscribe and hit like. It will help out the channel out immensely. And link for all products will be in the description below. Alright, so let's take a look at the packaging. Overall, I really like this packaging. It really feels very premium. So let's take a look at the front. We have a nice little smiley face. The microphone condenser, it has monitoring ability, so in the back of it, it has a 3.5mm port where you could plug in and listen in to your recording. This way you could adjust it in real time. You have volume control, which over here you got a little volume knob, and a mute button, which is also right here. On this side here, it just tells you that's been designed by Fifine. Alright, not much more to it. Let's open it up. And an incision here, and over here. Over here we have a nice little thank you note with information on how to contact them and their social media. A quick starter guide. I really like this packaging. It's nice soft foam which will protect it for a long time. I like that. We have our mic right here. Put it to the side. Let's take out the accessory box. Alright, let's see what first comes out. We have our USB cable, which has a Type A port, a Type B port, and a Type C port. I like this because it gives you a wide range of connectivity. So if you want to connect via Type C, you can do that directly without having a dongle. This is awesome. A stand and a metal pop filter and a screw adapter if you want to attach it to an arm. All right, so let's assemble it. Alright, there we have it installed. So now let's do a little test. And now we'll compare my daily mic, which is the Fifine K780A, to the K683A. Now the way I have it connected is the 780A is connected to a hub, which is connected to my OnePlus 8T. So the first test is I'm going to read some text that is on the box itself. Designed and engineered by Fifine. It's never been easier to get high quality sound for your voice and computer-based audio recordings. Alright, and now I'm going to switch to the K683A. Alright, so now let's test this mic. Reading the same text. Designed and engineered by Fifine. It's never been easier to get high quality sound for your voice and computer-based audio recording. So now let's move on to our next test, which will be the keyboard test. I have a decently loud keyboard, which I love. It has the cherry blues in it. And let's see how much this mic picks up. Let's switch to the other mic. And now let's test out this mic, seeing how much it picks up from keyboard noise. Drag the keyboard over and now for the remainder of this video, I'm going to use the new mic. Overall, I am impressed with this mic. I like the build quality. The old steel build quality makes it feel super premium. I like that this includes a little desk tripod so that in places where you can't put an arm, you can put it and you can still get your recording done. And for me, this is really nice because I personally don't really like the arm to be here when I'm recording videos. And this way I can just move it where I need to put it and speak into the mic. I like that it has little rubber feet. This way it doesn't slide around. I like that it has a volume knob on it. This way I can control it. The other mic is just full blast all the time, and hopefully now I can produce better content for you guys. I love that it has a mute button so that if I have to step away or, type a lot, I can just mute it and not annoy people. Overall, the sound quality is better than the 780A, which makes me very happy. This product gets 2 thumbs up, and the link for it is in the description below. Yeah, for $50, This is a great mic. And guys, this is our last week for our $100 gift card giveaway. If you guys want to enter our giveaway, I need you guys to do a few things. I need you guys to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and drop a comment below. Go to my Instagram, follow me there, like my latest post, and comment and tag 4 friends, entering you into our giveaway, and may the odds be in your favor. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you get notified when I release my next video. If you guys have a question, a comment, or want to say hello, drop it in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.